Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining our meetup. Today, I will introduce you Apache DolphinScheduler, a cloud-native, smart, and easy job scheduler. I am William Guo, and I just introduce myself first. I graduated at Peking University, and I used to work at Lenovo and IBM, and also I worked in CICC. This is the biggest investment bank in China, and I also worked at Wanda Group, the Lenovo, and then I joined Analysis. This is one of the biggest third-party big data company in China. I worked as a CTO in Analysis, and also I am Apache Foundation member and PMC of Apache DolphinScheduler. Also, I'm the founder of ClickHouse China User Group, and also I have other titles. So I just worked in big data area about 18 years, and I just suggest you to use DolphinScheduler. So why? Let me introduce the DolphinScheduler. So DolphinScheduler, what is DolphinScheduler? A DolphinScheduler is a distributed and easy to extend visual workflow scheduler platform. Actually, it is famous for its powerful DAG visual interfaces. You can just click and just drag and drop to create a bunch of jobs, and it's with high performance and to solve a complex task in your data platform, and it can deal with various types of data source. So that is Apache DolphinScheduler, and it's just like a Google map of big data systems. You know, you have your big data systems on cloud or on premise. You will have, you must have some data sources, and also you have Kafka and Flink and Spark streaming or Storm to deal with some streaming jobs. Also, you have a Spark platform. I think you must have like Cloudera, Greenplum, or Teradata, or Amazon something, or AliCloud, or Tyson Cloud, or some data lake on cloud. And you have some OLAP engine like Kylin, or Presto, or ClickHouse, or Impala, or Drilled. And also you have some BI tools and data scientist platform. There will be many jobs in your big data systems. And how to deal with this kind of jobs, easy and smart. And DolphinScheduler is to deal with this kind of things. There's many functions in DolphinScheduler. First, I can just introduce the whole story of DolphinScheduler. Actually, DolphinScheduler was designed in 2017, and we just use it as internal tools in 2018, and then we just open source in 2019, and then we joined Apache Incubator in 2019 in the August, and we just now we just the top level Apache project. So this is the story of the whole Apache history, Apache Dolphin's history, and we just introduced some features. You can see DolphinScheduler is this project is about 3 years for the users to use. So it's very stable and it's very powerful. So I will introduce some features about DolphinScheduler. And DolphinScheduler is famous about visual DAG jobs. It's very simple for you and easy to operate to view the task status in real time. And also it's very easy for you to create jobs. And also is with high availability. And you can retry the jobs of failure jobs, and you can roll back, and you can transfer to the code to the server, and you can see the logs of the server very easily through Dolphin Scheduler. You needn't to log on the Spark or Hadoop server to see the logs. You just see the logs in the Dolphin Scheduler. And the Dolphin Scheduler also supports multiple task types, many plugin and language we just support. And also we support various dependency types. For example, self-dependent task and workflow dependency and many things like that. And also we support many kinds of alert and log mechanism. If we can warn you about the alert via email, SMS, and WeChat and other things. And if you want, even you can use it as in Slack. So and we support refresh the historical data. That also happened in our ETL jobs because there will be some error data. For example, there was error data last day, and it made the whole job fail. Then we can refresh the historical data through a 1 week or 2 week. Yeah, that's very friendly and useful for you. And Dolphin Scheduler is designed with multiple master and multiple worker. It is different with any other job scheduler you have seen because it's designed with a cloud native idea. So there's no one single center master node. So there will be many master server and many worker server. That means you can extend the whole cluster very easily, and any of the master or worker failed, it won't affect the whole platform. So the new job comes, or the current job will run in other worker or in other master server. So that's why many users choose a Dolphin Scheduler to deal with its ETL jobs because it's very stable, especially facing many jobs. So there will be some user cases I will introduce in the later time. So some of there's very popular in China. So you can see Tencent, IBM, Lenovo, Nokia in China, and also China Unicom, China Telecom, and also many bank just use Dolphin Scheduler as their platform in China. So you can just try and to join the user group in Slack, and we can answer your question, or you can just subscribe our email list, and you can see many things. And here our community is very hot. There are more than 250 people to be the contributors, and we have many new features each month. And here are some obvious advantages about Dolphin Scheduler. First is high reliability. Just like what I said, it's decentralized, multi-master and multi-workers, support HA and any other things. So we're using task queue queue to avoid overload, and that offer you fault tolerant capability. And we just use many rich usage scenario. For example, we support pause and resume the operations. We support multi-tenancy. We support various task types: shell, MapReduce, Spark, SQL, Python, sub workflow, and procedure, and other things. And it is simple and easy. We have a DAG user interface. That means you just drag and drop to create a lot of, to create the data workflow, and you just create the definition. Just use the click. Then we offer many open APIs. If you want, you can use API to trigger the jobs and define the jobs. And we support one-click deployment, so it's very easy for you to deploy a cluster, such like you can deploy a 10 server cluster about several hours. But if you use other scheduler, I think it will cost several days. And also, Dolphin Scheduler has high scalability. We support customized data types, and also our capacity grows nearly linearly with the cluster nodes. So if you have a lot of jobs, you can use the Dolphin Scheduler to handle with a large number of jobs. And also we support dynamic master and worker online and offline. That means you just use one or two click, then you can extend your cluster to be bigger or smaller. So it's very easy for you to manage the clusters. And here are some main functions. I just introduced the task, the DAG form, and we support real-time monitoring, and you can see the real-time task status. And also we support more than 10 task types. And also we support workflow priority, task priority. That means if you want to let some workflow run faster, you can just set the priorities. And also we support global parameters and customized parameters. And then you can transfer one job to another job with the parameters. And also we support workflow scheduling, dependency, and manually pause, stop, and resume. So it's very friendly and it's very easy to use. And we support rerun the data job, and also we support multi-tenancy. That's very important because everybody can just drag and drop to create a data job. And then you can let your scientists, not only your engineers, to create a data job, or you can let your ETL developer to create a data jobs. So if we have multi-tenancy, then you can support many departments to own their jobs and their own administrators. And then you can then you can let your work more easy. So also we support online log viewing and resource online management. That means you needn't to log on the Hadoop server or Spark server to see the logs. You can see the logs in the Dolphin Scheduler. And also we offer you a complete system monitoring and a task monitoring, timeout or failure alert. There are many kinds of failure alert to warn you. You can watch the whole process. And we use the decentralized design to ensure the stability and high availability of the whole system. And we support about more than 100,000 volume of data tasks per day. You can see that in our user cases. So here are some functions of Dolphin Scheduler. This is the visualized drag and drop workflow configuration. You can see there's many icon on the left, and just you can click and drag and then drop, and then you can set some parameters. Then you can let the job run, and also you can upload the code, for example, the MapReduce code in Dolphin Scheduler or Spark code on Dolphin Scheduler. We will deploy that kinds of code to our workers. So that means you will not need to upload the code to the Hadoop cluster yourself, or let the engineer to log on the server to upload the codes. You just upload the code in Dolphin Scheduler once. We will deploy it in separate workers. So you can use Dolphin Scheduler as a code control to control that many versions of MapReduce or Spark code. That is very useful for ETL jobs. And also we support many task types. You can see the shell and MapReduce, Spark and SQL and Python and procedure and many types. And also we support sub-process because when the jobs are very big, and you can create some sub-process to reuse the data import and or the data others or the data procedure or other things to avoid repeated configurations. So it's very useful for the users. And you can see the running workflow in our monitor side, and you can see which step is running, and what is the logs about the running status. So that's very useful for you to handle with a lot of jobs, especially when it's running. And here you can see we just support rerun, retry task, and monitor the task. We support. You can see there's many state operation to halt, to restart, and to reset, that kind of things. And there's many status about the jobs, and we can see the whole jobs when it start and when it end. And we support 3 levels of monitoring logs. You can see the whole data status about the whole tasks, and also you can see the whole process instance status, and also you can track the task execution status, and you can see the logs on the Dolphin Scheduler. You needn't to log on the servers, and then this can let you to use to handle the ETL jobs very easily. And here we can define some data sources, and it is useful for the admin because you can create several data sources, and then data scientists or ETL developers can use the data sources as just like an icon, and then they can just focus on the jobs or focus on the whole workflow, needn't to know the password or other things. And you can see we support many data sources and such like a PostgreSQL, Hive, Impala, Spark, ClickHouse, Oracle, and DB2 and other things. And also we support plugin data sources, and we offer you a virtualized data sources management. And you just configure once and use everywhere. That's very convenient for you to handle with the data sources. And here we have some new features in 1.3. And the one of them is DataX. DataX is a tool to do some transformation. Then if you use DataX, you will get the function of extract, transform, and load, not only the scheduler. And also, we support condition task in 1.3. Condition task means we just support if-then process. And you can just, if there are two or one jobs ran, we can choose which is the next jobs it will run, depends on the result of the last job. So that's like a if-then or case-when. So this is the new feature we support in 1.3. And also we support embedding plugin in 1.3. And that means you can, if you use Embedding, you just deploy Dolphinscheduler with Embedding plugin, and you can see the alerts on in Embedding. So it's very convenient if you use Embedding as your in your platform. And also we support Kubernetes. We just use that to support the elastic scaling or make full use of your server resources. And also we support the environmental isolation, but you must have some experience of Kubernetes as this experience. So here are some use cases for you, and the first is ourselves. We use Dolphinscheduler about 4 years, and our big data platform is about 6.8 PB bytes, and we have about 620 million monthly active user. That's many users, and we just use about tens of thousands of ETL tasks each day, and we use Dolphinscheduler about 4 years, and it's very stable, and I think it will help you if you are also internet company or you're a traditional company. Here is an example from a traditional company called China Unicom. It's one of user of Dolphinscheduler. China Unicom is one of the biggest telecom company in China. China Unicom chose Dolphinscheduler to control over 400,000 jobs in its big data platform. Here is the reason why he just chose Dolphinscheduler. The first is the cost of development. Dolphinscheduler is code with Java, and we have a very clear architecture. And other job scheduler, China Unicom think Python or other language is not efficient for ETL or big data platform. So he chose Dolphin Scheduler. And also ease of use. Dolphin Scheduler is easy, and we support drag and drop, especially for ETL developers and data scientists. And we just you needn't to upload the code to the Hadoop server. You just upload the code, or even you write the code in Dolphin Scheduler. A Dolphin Scheduler will distribute the code to the servers. And also Dolphin Scheduler is very easy to extend. We just register and delete in the zookeeper about the master and the worker node, and it is stable and easy. And other job scheduler is hard to extend and need to restart the whole clusters. And for single point of failure, because Dolphin Scheduler has multiple master and multiple workers, so that's very stable. And other job scheduler only have a master and a slave. It's not stable. And about the performance, China Unicom said it support Dolphin Scheduler supports a large number of jobs because our design, the multiple workers and multiple masters design. And other job scheduler, when jobs grow more and more, that will stack the server. So that's why they choose Dolphin Scheduler. And also job arrangement. Job scheduler is user-friendly. We support sub-jobs and job templates, and it's very convenient for users. And other job scheduler, you have to code and upload to the server. And Dolphin Scheduler support many types of nodes. And also, if you want to deploy clusters, you can deploy Dolphin Scheduler with one click. And the other job scheduler is very hard to deploy the clusters. And Dolphin Scheduler support pause and resume and restart in any node. And other job scheduler cannot do that. It's very important for ETL developers or big data platform developers to do that. And the Dolphin Scheduler community is very active. So that's the reason why China Unicom chose to choose Dolphin Scheduler. This slide is from China Unicom, and also we have slides from Qianxin. Qianxin, that's another big internet company in China. This is the slides from Qianxin, from one meetup of Dolphin Scheduler from Qianxin. And Qianxin said, Dolphin Scheduler, there's 9 reasons to choose a Dolphin Scheduler. First is that Dolphin Scheduler is easy to extend. It's distributed system, as you see. So that's very important. There is no single node issues, and it can extend if insufficient resources easily. So that's the first reason. The second reason is visualization. Dolphin Scheduler can drag and drop to generate DAG jobs. It's very easy to use. And also the third is Dolphin Scheduler support multiple task types, support Spark, Shell, MapReduce, Python, and have something like that. And also it support complex scheduling, cron, dependent, and manually scheduling. It support many kinds of scheduling types. And also it to support task failure retry and alert. And you can choose retry times. For example, you just if one job fail, you can just set retry 3 times and in 5 minutes or in half an hour. If that cannot work, then it will email alert email to you. And also, Dolphin Scheduler support online resource files management. So that's the so you don't worry about losing the jars, or don't worry about many version jar files on your Hadoop server. So that's one reason choose Dolphin Scheduler. And also cluster high availability because Dolphin Scheduler is designed decentralized. And also Dolphin Scheduler support multi-tenant. We will have different roles, can't use the same account. So multi-tenant is very important. And also Dolphin Scheduler support authorization management. You can access only authorized projects and resources in Dolphin Scheduler. So that's why Qianxin used Dolphin Scheduler. I think that is also the reason why you choose Dolphin Scheduler. So you see there's many users to use Dolphin Scheduler as their big data platform ETL job scheduler. And you can see some resources about Dolphin Scheduler. And here is my Slack and email, and you can add my email and add my Slack. And also, if you want to say something you're interested about Dolphin Scheduler, you can add a Slack channel. Here is a Slack channel, asf/dolphinscheduler.slack.com, and then you can join our Slack channel, and we can answer your questions. If you want to see some online demos, you can see this link. And also you can visit our website, dolphinscheduler.apache.org, and you can find our GitHub in this link. And if you want to ask some questions, you can subscribe our mail list. Our mail list is dev/subscribe@dolphinscheduler.apache.org, and then you can email to the whole community group, and then we can answer your questions if you send email to us. So you see, Dolphin Scheduler is a smart, easy, and stable data job scheduler. So there are many users to use Dolphin Scheduler as their big data platform workflow job scheduler. So if you're interested, please email me or email to the community, and we welcome you to join the Slack channel. And I'm waiting you in the Slack channel. And thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, you can ask, and I can answer you online. Thank you for joining our meetup. Here is my talk. Thank you very much. Thank you.